Welcome back, Home Service Hustlers. Today's a special video for you guys because we're doing a Home Service U student visit. We're going out to Montreal to visit John. John G, he's an 18-year-old guy, started his business last year, absolutely crushing it. Reason we're going out to Montreal is to visit him and help him out with seal coating. So he's brand new to seal coating. So we're gonna talk today in video about a bit about seal coating, how to market it, how to perform the service. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you want help starting or scaling your home service company, check out the links in the description. Let's head to Montreal and help out John G. We made it out to Montreal. We're here with Home Service University student.
Yeah, so name's John. I've been in business for a little over a year now. And we do a lot of window cleaning, gutter cleaning, holiday lighting, and are introducing seal coating this year. Working with Adam and being mentored by him has been a huge boost.
And then you guys have because right now we're doing the driveway sealing. It's me, John, and then Tristan behind the cam, he's from my team. And then you have a crew right now doing window cleaning, is that right?
Yeah, so we have another crew doing window cleaning, and we usually operate with one crew doing windows and then one doing seal coating. Usually I'm on site as it's a new service, yeah, that's where we are right now.
So this job here, we are gonna be doing some crack repair. As soon as you know you're doing crack repair, especially if you're doing hot pour rubber, turn it on right away because it's gonna take a minute to heat up the first time you're doing crack repair that day. While that's heating up, what we're gonna go and do is clean out the cracks. So I like using a little trowel, or you can use a paint scraper, something to go through and get the vegetation out of the cracks, and then we're gonna put the rubber there. The beautiful thing about this job is we don't have to tape off any lines, there's no interlock. We're gonna go and use some painter's tape along the interlock here. Once you develop your skills, you can get away without doing that. However, when you're starting out, I highly recommend using painter's tape along the edge because you don't want to have overspray. And then once that's done, then we're gonna go do all the edges. One of us will be holding the board, other guy will be spraying. Once those edges are filled in, one guy's gonna finish it up here, and then let's get rolling here. So right now we're doing the edges. The key to spraying these edges here is I'm just tapping the trigger. I'm not holding it down, I'm not squeezing it full. So I'm just gonna I'll show you a small sample, like that. John, the guy doing the sign, he wants to be on the edge there, and when he picks the sign up, you'll see he's pulling it towards the driveway. Don't lift it straight up, and then the odd time he wants to clean off the bottom. Ideally, we have a bigger sign than this, because you can see it's not perfect, it's bending, but John will fix that for next time. So like a piece of wood or a stronger plastic sign even, something that's a little bit more durable. And then to do these edges, and I like coming a couple feet off because then when you're doing the whole inserting, filling the rest of it in, you don't have to worry at all about the edges. So here we have our crack repair machine. Like I said, you can get them like this, the push behinds, you can get ones that just fill up a little kettle. And how it's working is he has this torch in the bottom here. This is where the rubber is gonna be coming out of. So those rubber bricks, we just open that up, throw them in there. It melts it down. We're gonna pull that handle back. It's gonna lift this up, and then we're gonna be smooth crack repair like that. So the annoying thing about crack repair is it does take a minute to heat up, but again, it's the best way to fix cracks. Another thing you could do is, it's not ideal, but you can get the bottles from Home Depot, use those, or mix a little bit of your oil base with polymeric sand. But this crack repair machine, we're just waiting for it to heat up right now, and then we'll show you guys how to do that. So before I was showing you guys the tap method like this. The other one you can do is just holding it down. I want to be close enough to the surface that the stuff's not drifting down the street and getting overspray, but I don't want to be glued against it. So just like this, and you see I'm doing about a half overlap, right? So my line right now is covering from here to here. If I just went on the edge, you'll see that gray line. So you want to have overlap. Like that. Okay, so John's officially in action spraying. I'll show you what that looks like. You can see clean edge.
Pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich. bricks like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it index. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets.
So the job is complete. We fixed all the cracks. We did a nice, good seal coating job on it. And then we went and spoke with the customer after we were done. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tape it off here with some caution tape. That way nobody comes on the driveway. Depending on what product you're using, anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, as well as the weather, of course. If it's really hot or rains a little bit, let the clients know they have to wait longer before going back on the driveway. So there's right here, we did the crack repair, the sealing. We upsold a little bit of rubber on the left side there where the driveway is deteriorating a little bit for additional $50. And then we're gonna tape it off. We're good to go. Don't forget to ask for your review and any referrals in the neighborhood. If you're looking to start or scale a home service company, make sure to go down and book a free call because we would love to help you realize your home service dreams by building a profitable business. Inside Home Service University, we give you everything you need to succeed. An amazing community of like-minded individuals, over 120 hours of content, and some of my proprietary stuff like lead maxing, service stacking, and the neighborhood hero methods. If you want to scale your business, be around like-minded individuals, make sure to go down below, book your free call, and I'll see you on the call.